without any papel lang ito. You better go back to them and have the legal. Wala, for what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you ask me to go with you? Abogado ka?
Hindi po.
Ay, tawag kami ang abogado mo?
Tol, si Alex. Kasi kanina wala pang warrant. Sir, he used to be, also,
upper class.
PC
Commander, 60 million.
PC then
I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but this is a serious matter.
They just transmitted to me, sir, a copy of the... Kanina, sir, nire-request ko na magbigyan lang kayo na makauwi sa bahay, makakuha ng mga gamit. Kasi wala pang warrant of arrest until we get a copy of the warrant of arrest. Kasi yun man yung requirement natin.
That is the only
They're saying,
legal
but they
thing.
now, sir,
Yan ang mangyayari dyan.
I-live mo yun na. Bong, meron akong number, Bong. Meron akong cellphone na pwede na matawagan niya si Atty. Torion.
Sige na, puro abogado ito dito.
Hindi daw siya makakonect eh. Parang ginaan ang ating cellphone.
Magmagmagmag. At this point, I do not give you a warrant of arrest. So, you will just have to kill me. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti.
they're just going through the process.
Kaya nga.
Arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 7(1)(a) of the same statute for murder, sir, committed in the Republic of the Philippines during the relevant period and as set forth in this warrant of arrest.
Must be murders. Hindi lang ito. So, before you deprive a person, even forbidden, you must have a legal basis. So, show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently, I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Mr. President. Yes, sir. I understand, Mr. President. The decision to bring you here is not the decision that was made by us. Hindi po namin decision. Opo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.